Hey Natalie, so this is the error that I'm getting, and I found that it most possibly is going to be derived from my client portal just because nothing on my client portal is working. The first time that I saw that it wasn't working or that there was something wrong is I was demoing my Thrive. I basically just sent an estimate to one of my leads as I was demoing. So send estimate and I'm going to send it to my personal email so that way I can, go ahead and show you. Um, and so I'm just going to look for my contact here. And it works, the same thing keeps happening over and over, no matter who I send it to. And you may have received something from me as well. So just whatever I'm going to send. And so once I send it, when I receive the message, there's an error. Basically what happens is I try to open the message, and I'm not going to do it on the computer because I'm already logged in here, but if I go to another browser, let's just say, and I go to my portal, and when I try to log in to my account, it does not let me. So in other words, if I receive an estimate as whatever contact and I try to open it, I just get an error message. Anything on my client portal, whether I try to schedule an appointment, whether I try to click on whatever on here that's leading to an action, to complete an action within client portal, it leads me to an error. So that's how I figured that there has to be something in error with the client portal. So when I click here, my account, it just keeps going and going and going. Or on Chrome, it'll say bad error 401. On the phone, it's the error that I'll send you in a different video so that you can see the exact error message that one receives. Doesn't matter who I send it to. It's not necessarily tied to the contact. It's just the client portal. There's something going on that it's not allowing any action to be opened from the client portal.